just wanna ball, making plays.
Good morning, y'all. It is time for a Sunday reset, and as I'm sitting here editing this video to go out for you all on the 5K camera, I noticed that the clip that I had put in the first few that you're getting ready to see are recorded in slow motion. So one thing about the 5K camera that I wanted to share with you guys, because you all wanted to know exactly what the quality is like, how it works, and everything else. I didn't realize that you can record in slow motion, you can speed it up, and you also can just record in real life time, like, you know, as I'm recording now. But I also did not realize that until I had already, you know, left out of the door to go get in the car, run to Food Lion so I can do my Sunday reset. Basically, I needed to go to the grocery store because there was one thing that I really needed in order to do my Sunday reset, because you'll find out. But the 5K camera is the bomb. I definitely cannot wait to use this on our trip coming up soon, especially to get like some clips for shorts, and then a vlog or 2 or 3. Now, this camera is really nice because not only, you know, can you like zoom in using the part that makes this go back and forth. So you just literally like push it in and then it'll do the zoom in or zoom out. And then if you push it again, it's going to just make the camera do that 270. And that's what you want. And like I said before, I can easily make shorts going this way, or I can make vlogging this way. Really great investment for sure. And if you ever want to make vlogs, there's the tripod part for that. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this Sunday reset, because not only did I need to go get one thing from the grocery store, I wanted to make the TikTok spaghetti. I also, you know, needed to clean up and get myself together and ready for the next week. On my way over to Food Lion, I realized that there were some things that I needed to get in today's pickup, and not just that one thing like I thought. I really wanted to get back in the mood of doing my apple cider vinegar, pineapple, cranberry juice in order to just like start to lose weight again, especially with me being back in the gym. And I really needed some garlic bread in order to make the TikTok spaghetti Alfredo. And then I also just needed some flour, because you just never know when you want to make some cookies or, you know, fry up something. So with that being said, I made my list and I started just taking things off the list as I needed them, or as I was grabbing them. So literally I got like the bare minimal of items that I needed today, which were the salt, garlic bread, salad, tomatoes, pineapple juice, crispy onions, tortilla strips, along with pineapple juice, apple cider vinegar, a Caesar salad, and cranberry juice, and something else. Y'all, I'm so shocked that they have these Trolley gummy pops. These ones right here come with a coupon where you can get $1 off. And these are the Trolley gummy pops. These ones are grape strawberry, and we cannot wait to try these out today with the kids. Let me just go ahead and let y'all know that when I came in Food Lion, it wasn't raining, so therefore that just means that it's time to go back home. But I will let you guys know what I got once I get home out of this rain. All right, so I picked up some garden iceberg salad, a Caesar salad kit. We have strawberries and blueberries, grapes in green and purple. Then we have just some mixed fruit, tropical fruit. This was only $3.26. Got some gizzards, $2.09, and a pack of hamburger meat for $3.47. 2 of the Trolley gummy pops. These are like $4.49, I think, and it comes with a coupon right here where you can get $1 off, so I did just that. These are the grape strawberry ones, and then I also got a thing of garlic bread, garlic Texas toast. Then we got cotton candy flavored grapes. These are $4.49. One little green pepper, a thing of 12 eggs. This was like $6, which is ridiculous. Grape tomatoes, milk chocolate chips, Oreo muffins, some crispy onions, and some tortilla strips, tree color, a bottle of ranch dressing, a bottle of Alfredo sauce, pineapple tibbets, a classic white cake mix box, apple cider vinegar with the mother. This is a new prime, I guess it's I Show Speed, and then we got a thing of salt, a jar of pineapple juice along with a cranberry juice cocktail, and the pineapple juice cans, which just makes it easier to pour, all-purpose flour, and some pot size, I got the wrong one, pot size angel hair. Thankfully I already have spaghetti, I'm not gonna worry about that, but that's what I got in this haul. From this clip here, you guys can see that I have some meal prepping to do. I'm going to be making some steak. I'm going to be meal prepping some salads for the week. And I'm also going to be making some Cookie Monster cookies. The first thing that I needed to do was get my pan ready as far as boiling the noodles for this meal prep here. So this meal prep here was only enough for me to do basically 2. So I just did 1 for Charles for the first day, and then 1 for myself. I made some steak and I just cut it up into little 1-inch size pieces, seasoned it with salt and pepper, and then I just put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan and fried each side for 2 to 3 minutes. These little pieces of steak were very good, but I wish that there was more because it would have been like just better. So once you do that, remove your steak from the pan, go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of butter in, and then you're just gonna add in 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. In order to make the pasta, this is the following things that you're going to need for that. I'll post it here on the screen as I baggage up the meal prep into the meal prep containers. All right, so I meal prepped the garlic butter steak and the garlic parmesan pasta. That's done, so I have 2 of those, 1 for myself, 1 for Chuck. Now I'm gonna get ready to heat up the noodles for dinner as I'm making the Tik Tok pasta that I've never made before, but I've seen it and literally can master it with no problem. So I'm getting the water ready for that, and then I'm also gonna meal prep the salads. I have to wait on my chicken breast to thaw out, and then basically, like, you know, season those up later and cook them, and then just add it into the pasta. So the salad. So I'm only making 4 salad preps for the week. I'm also doing the apple cider vinegar, pineapple juice with cranberry juice for the week as well, but I'm not gonna prep those up you know, ahead of time. That's something that I'll prep up every night before bed, and then whatever. And then, you know, just to get ready for the week, spend some time with Sky, let her make some Cookie Monster cookies that I've made here on my channel before. If you haven't checked that out, it is a link here that's going to allow you to go to it, but it's also in my description box. All right, so I let that come to a boil. I'm gonna go over and prep up the salad so that they can just be ready and out of the way. I really love mastering just making this simple, easy iceberg garden salad. That literally I just use the iceberg garden salad mix. I also use cucumbers, tomatoes, as well as cheese. And I don't add bacon in because I do not like cold bacon. So if I ever want to add bacon in, I do get the crumbles. I also add in cucumbers as well as cheese because it's just something good to have as well. A bunch of veggies, and I love that. Of course, I cut my cherry tomatoes up in half and I add it into the salad. So I have these 1-ounce cups that I got off of Amazon that come along with lids. I have some ranch dressing that I'm gonna pour in here and put into the salads on top. So I have crispy onions and tortilla strips that can go along with it, but I don't think that they'll fit in those little containers, so I will just pour it in something else this week if I want to use those. All right, we're gonna start off cooking our noodles. So now that the noodles are done, I decided to mix it up with the Rao's homemade Alfredo sauce. You only really need 1 jar. If you are feeding a family bigger than probably 4, I definitely would say, more noodles and more sauce. All right, we're gonna go ahead and make that meat in our pan here. I'm just waiting on it to finish drying out before I add that in. All right, I'm gonna add some seasonings to this. I'm adding in parsley, Italian seasoning, some minced garlic, some garlic powder, onion powder, and some pepper. As I'm adding in the spices that I want to add and things that I want to put into this, let me just say that you definitely want to season up your meat, because normally I don't, because the sauce does it for me. But with making this, I decided to make the meat like a little bit more kind of like I do my Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, as I wanted some garlic in it. I wanted, like some of the Italian seasonings. So what I did was chopped up a white onion, and then as well as the tree colored peppers and a green pepper. And I put it in here as well. I normally don't do that either, but I wanted to make this taste simply amazing. I drained my meat, and then I added in 1 jar of the spaghetti sauce. In a different container, what you're gonna do after you mix the noodles and the Alfredo is you're gonna start to layer it. So the Alfredo and noodles go on the bottom, and then you're going to add in the meat and veggies on top. So you're just gonna like simply layer that however you want to. I had so much that I layered this like twice, and then I made a separate pan because I still had leftover noodles. So this definitely was enough to feed a family of 4 and above. So what I'm thinking of it so far is that it smells delicious. I needed to add some mozzarella cheese on there, and then I also added some Parmesan cheese, because why not? So I'm also making garlic bread with it. I'm also having the Caesar salad. Y'all, I think I did my thing with this. This is something different, okay? Alfredo sauce and spaghetti sauce and noodles and meat and vegetables, along with a salad and garlic bread. So good. So good. I'll make those Cookie Monster cookies in a little bit, once I can finish eating. All right, y'all, let's make some Cookie Monster cookies really quick. All you need is about 5 different ingredients. That's it. 1 box of classic white cake mix, some Oreos that can be crushed up, white chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, 2 eggs, and vegetable oil. Literally, that's it. is prep up this chicken for the salad. That way I can get ready to let that cool for a little bit and then put it in the refrigerator. So seasoned it up with quite a few different things. Just mixing it up, frying it in some olive oil. That's it, that's all. Go back to these clothes and get ready for bed. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try this. Let's see if the, what's this one, grape strawberry, is better than, oh Lord. If it's better than, I think it's cherry lemon or whatever. Okay, I think I like this one better.